Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into side hustles to help you build financial freedom and create a life you love. Let's get started. First up, freelance writing. If you love storytelling, this could be your golden ticket. Businesses need compelling content, and you can do it all remotely. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and ProBlogger are great for finding clients. Specialize in an area you love and let your unique voice shine. Remember, your perspective is your superpower. Ever wanted to be the organized force behind businesses? As a virtual assistant, you can manage emails, schedule appointments, and handle social media, all from home. Love trends and hashtags? Become a social media manager. Craft captions, schedule posts, run ads, and engage with audiences for businesses. Passionate about a subject? Online tutoring is for you. Platforms like Schooly, TutorMe, and Chegg Tutors connect you with students eager to learn. Whether it's math, science, or music, there's a demand for your expertise. Have an eye for design? Graphic design is your calling. Create logos, marketing materials, and more. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr offer great opportunities. Love crafting? Open an Etsy shop. Sell your handmade goods to a global audience. Etsy provides all the tools you need to succeed. Whether it's jewelry, home decor, or art, turn your passion into profit. Love writing and sharing your thoughts? Blogging is a great creative outlet and income source. Choose a niche, create high-quality content, and monetize through ads and sponsored posts. Are you a grammar expert? Proofreading and editing are in demand. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr can help you find clients. Fast typer with great listening skills? Transcription services are for you. Platforms like Rev and TranscribeMe make it easy to start. Love animals? Pet sitting is a rewarding side hustle. Many pet owners need trustworthy sitters while they're away. Advertise through local networks or platforms like Rover and Wagwalk. Passionate about photography? Offer your services for portraits, events, and more. Build a portfolio and showcase your work online. Network with potential clients in your community. Love organizing events? Event planning could be your dream side hustle. Start with friends and family, then expand your network. Consider certifications to boost your credibility. Passionate about fitness? Become a certified personal trainer. Build an online presence and network with local gyms. Love makeup? Become a makeup artist for events and photo shoots. Build a portfolio and network with industry professionals. Love crafting? Sell your handmade goods online or at local markets. Platforms like Etsy and Shopify make it easy to start. Dream of an online business without inventory? Try dropshipping. Partner with suppliers who handle storage and shipping. List their products on your store and start selling. Expert in a field? Create and sell online courses. Platforms like Teachable and Thinkific make it easy to reach a global audience. Share your knowledge and earn income. Love creating videos? Start a YouTube channel. Share your passions, build an audience, and monetize through ads and sponsorships. Enjoy conversations? Start a podcast. Share your thoughts on various topics and build a loyal audience. Love recommending products? Try affiliate marketing. Partner with brands and earn commissions for sales through your unique links. Passionate about real estate? Become a real estate agent. Guide clients through buying or selling properties and earn commissions. Enjoy cleaning? Start a house cleaning service. Many people pay for professional cleaning due to busy schedules. Begin with friends and family, then expand through referrals and advertising. Love children? Babysitting is a flexible side hustle. Many families need reliable sitters for work or nights out. Advertise through local networks or online platforms. Talented cook? Offer personal chef services? Busy individuals pay for home-cooked meals? Start with friends and family, then expand through referrals? Passionate about fitness? Become a fitness instructor. Teach classes like Zumba or yoga and earn extra income. Obtain certifications and build an online presence. Love motivating others? Become a life coach. Help clients achieve their goals and overcome challenges. Obtain certifications and network with potential clients. Skilled writer? Offer resume writing services. Help job seekers create compelling resumes. Advertise through online platforms or partner with career centers. Have a great voice? Become a voiceover artist. Record for commercials, audiobooks, and more. Fluent in multiple languages? Offer translation services. Specialize in an industry and connect with clients online. Love design? Become an interior designer. Transform spaces and build a portfolio to attract clients. Want extra cash? Take online surveys. Earn rewards for your feedback on various products and services. Enjoy shopping and dining? Become a mystery shopper. Evaluate customer service and product quality for companies. Complete tasks and provide feedback for extra income. Have a spare room? Rent it out on Airbnb. Set your rates and availability to earn extra income. Have an idle car? Rent it out on Turo or Getaround. Set your rates and connect with renters. Talented photographer? Sell your photos as stock images. Earn royalties from platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. Skilled coder? Freelance coding offers flexibility and high earning potential. Find projects on Upwork or Fiverr. Have an app idea? Learn app development or partner with a developer. Create innovative mobile apps and succeed. Ebook author. Share your knowledge and stories with the world. Self-publish an ebook on platforms like Amazon KDP. Write, edit, design, and market your book to reach a global audience. Passionate about products? Start an online store on Shopify or Wix. Source products, market your brand, and sell globally. Experienced in a field? Offer consulting services, help businesses improve operations and achieve goals. Love fashion? Become a personal shopper. Help clients find stylish outfits that suit their preferences and budget. Passionate about travel? Become a travel planner. Create personalized itineraries for clients. Freelance marketing. Become a marketing maven. Skilled in marketing? Offer freelance services. Help businesses grow through social media, content creation, and SEO. Data entry. Simple and flexible work from home option. Basic computer skills? Data entry jobs are flexible and simple. Find opportunities on freelance platforms or job boards. Customer service representative. Help customers, work from home, enjoy helping people, become a remote customer service representative, handle inquiries and resolve issues via phone, email, or chat. Start building your dream life. We've covered so many side hustle opportunities today. Choose one or two that excite you and take action. Experiment, learn, and have fun with it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on making money and achieving financial freedom. See you in the next video.